Hey, what's up guys, Hassan here. In this video today we compare two best smartphones, which is Google Pixel 7a versus Google Pixel 7 Pro. So let's see the full comparison video. Display, display type, display size, resolution, PPI density, always on display, aspect ratio, screen to body ratio, refresh rate, display brightness, display quality, display protection, storage, has RAM, has memory, storage type, card slot, body design, has body weight, body dimension, water resistant, SIM slot, body color, body front side, body back side, body frame, platform, has chipset, processor, graphic unit, operating system, rear camera, megapixel, rear second camera megapixel, rear third camera megapixel, has flash, pixel shift, auto HDR, has panorama, has video records, selfie camera, megapixel, has auto HDR, has video records, connectivity, Wi-Fi version, Bluetooth version, has GPS, has GLONASS, has Galileo, has QoZSS, has NFC, infrared port, has radio, USB connectivity, battery, type, battery capacity, battery charging, sensors, fingerprint, accelerometer, gyroscope, compass, proximity, barometer, ultra wideband, sound, loudspeaker, 3.5 mm jack, features, 5G support, has LTE, has announcement, price, has price USD. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and make sure to subscribe Gatgets Compare.